What's going on, guys? It's that time again. It's giveaway time. This is the new HVLP spray gun from Fuji Auto Spray. It's their HV8 spray gun. Love this thing. Really enjoy spraying with it, and we're excited to give it away. How do you get entered to win? A couple different ways. First way, $20 spent on our website equals an entry. Every $20 spent on our website equals an entry. You go ahead and jump over to our Facebook or our official Instagram post. You like, you comment, you tag 2 friends, that's an entry. We've also got our SEMA build series going on. So we got 3 episodes, 1, 2, 3. Go to the 3rd episode, like, comment, that equals an entry. And inside that episode, we've also got something pretty exclusive. It might be a coupon code that gives you an extra discount and a little extra exclusive something. So this giveaway is running from now until April 26th. Make sure you get your entries in as soon as possible. Let us know if you have any questions. And remember, every purchase made on our website goes to help our community as well. So excited about that. Let us know if you need anything.
Okay.
Good?
I think that's good, dude.
All right.